Today we're in New York and we're going to be asking people what they think about AI and if AI can replace their jobs and all other things and funny questions about money, so stay tuned. What's your name?
Lenny.
Okay, what do you do for a living?
I'm a floor director.
Kareem, project manager.
My name is Scott. I consult to museums.
Garrett, I'm a poet.
Lee Nelson, security.
Doorman concierge.
Emily, I'm a fashion designer.
Ty, I'm a shooting instructor.
David, finance.
Perfect, cool. Now, have you heard about AI?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I heard of it.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, I wrote a poem about it.
Oh yeah, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, and would you think, as a poet, AI could possibly replace your job?
Well, that's a big issue that a lot of people are discussing, and I go on and on about it. That's in philosophical basis. One of the jokes that I have in my poem about AI, well, all the poetry that the computer writes is poetry that only computers would want to read. So
No, that's true. First question, would you think AI would be capable of replacing your job?
Yes.
Of course, yeah. In what way?
Could it do better, like projects or faster or?
It can organize. Yeah, it can definitely organize projects. I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon.
It's quick response in terms of how it interacts with people and the information that it could deliver quicker than maybe faster than I could deliver it.
In life, everybody and everything is replaceable. It's always change coming. Might be good for some people, might be bad for other people. But you can't stop progress. It's part of the progress. You can't stop it.
Now, do you think AI would be capable of replacing your job?
Some parts of it. Maybe some of the like photoshopping and like things like that.
Yeah. Okay, now that makes sense.
Absolutely not.
No.
No.
No, sir, because it can't perform the duties that I do. Not only can it perform the duties, it can't report the duties. I mean, a robot is a robot, but if something's happened, that robot ain't gonna stop it. I already know that for a fact.
Because there's certain things that that machines are never going to be able to do in terms of discerning quality and tradition, and I don't worry about that.
Because I keep trying to use it and it doesn't really do anything great for me.
Nobody can be a safe replacement to a man who's shooting a gun right now. Like he can turn around and do whatever he wants.
And last question, how much your profession makes here in New York per year?
It makes about $200,000 a year.
67, 68,000.
Approximately 40,000.
Around 100,000.
Okay, man, cool. Thank you so much, and that's it. So we're in Brooklyn right now, and we found some people we could ask some interesting questions about AI. So let's go. Excuse me. Would you be down for a quick questions about AI and then life here in New York, Brooklyn, everything?
Sure.
So first things first, what's your name?
Chris Haynes, man.
Do you live here in New York, Brooklyn?
Yep, Brooklyn, East New York.
What are you currently doing for a living?
Currently, I'm a home attendant and do security part-time.
And how much would you say your profession can make per year in New York?
Shit. You asked me the wrong question, and I didn't do that much. I mean, I know it makes me enough to survive.
Got it.
For now.
Have you heard anything about AI, artificial intelligence?
No, not much. It's like an up-and-coming thing right now.
Yeah. Now, would you say an AI would be possible to replace your job?
Probably. Honestly, probably, depending on like how far it comes, and if they give them like physical bodies, then probably.
All right, so after going around for some time, we discovered that people in New York really don't have 60 seconds to answer questions. 30 seconds for 3 quick questions.
I'm sorry.
Do you have time for 3? Okay.
I have an appointment right now, buddy.
For 3? All right, 3 quick. All right, cool. Quick questions?
No, sorry, man.
All right, cool.
No speaking English.
We asked questions to various kinds of people, and we discovered that most people think that AI cannot replace their job. Maybe it's because they don't fully understand AI, or maybe it's because they actually think that it's not possible. Well, we can discover that in another video. We're gonna shoot some more content and ask some more interesting questions, so see you guys in the next video. Follow, subscribe, like, and all that. Gucci, we out. We just asked people in New York what they think about AI and if AI could replace their current boyfriends or girlfriends. Do you think AI would be able to replace girlfriends, wives?
No.
That's insane. No.
Do you have a hangover? Excuse me, would you have 60 seconds? What? Excuse me, would you have 60 seconds?